Hey guys, are you into fish keeping or interested in fluidics? Maybe consider checking out my Dr. Durso channel, the one I abandoned after my leg healed. Wonder what a Durso overflow is? That device you see in front of you, that is a Durso overflow. It's capable of moving very high volumes of water up and over the edge of that aquarium without drilling a hole in the glass. And it's designed in such a way that when used with that weir that you see, center screen, that's a weir. The Durso overflow, when used with a weir, prevents the tank from flooding your house. It can't happen. Maybe you'd like to check out more about the Durso overflow and what it can do for you. Me? Man, I feel... Come on, bud. Come on, man. Can I not make one video without getting mad at my phone? Oh, well, it's funny for you. Listen to me coming unglued. The sump filter system. Me? Man, I feel the call of physics. I feel the call of biology. Oh, I love marine biology. It's fascinating. The ammonia nitrogen cycle, unbelievable. That's what that process is. Dr. Durso, 73.